Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to turn off the tracking feature on your iPhone. It's a feature that allows apps to track. So this is part of iOS 14. When it gets installed, it is part of the OS itself. So I am going to show you how to turn it off. So first what you want to do is you want to go to your settings. I'll show that from the beginning. I was messing with something earlier. Go to settings, go down to privacy, select tracking, and it says allow apps to request to track. If you don't want that, you just deselect it, go back to settings, you're done. Alright, and now for part 2. Okay, for example, I have my iPhone 11 here. I'm going to show you how to turn up the volume, turn down the volume without touching the volume keys on the side. Now, for example, let's say you drop your phone and you break it. Those particular buttons, and you go, oh my god, how am I supposed to do this? Here's what you do. You're right here, up at the top right hand corner, scroll down. These are all your options right here. So if I could turn volume all the way up, volume all the way down, brightness all the way up, brightness all the way down. I could turn cellular off, cellular on, Wi-Fi off, Wi-Fi on. I can mirror the screens for here, even though I have another video for that. I could sleep the phone. Do not disturb is on. Do it again, turn it off. And down here, I could push that. That's your calculator. Flashlight. Camera. Airplane mode. Now up here it'll tell you what you used recently. And the battery. So anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.